think in the future maybe you'll expand more over that way? Or?
Well, a lot of people have asked me that question. Right now, that area is claimed by my wife.
Oh, okay.
She wants to put a room in basically over there. She'll kind of wall that off and put a room in there with, you know, carpeting and overhead ceiling, drop ceiling, and all that kind of stuff. So, at least for right now, this is basically it. But I would love to do that. I can see.
You know, you have plenty of room here for doing what you're doing here.
Yeah. It's that would be nice to basically make it an L is what it would be, an L shape. That would be awesome. But, yeah, right now that room, that area out there is already spoken for.
Okay.
Yeah.
I understand.
We know all about that, don't we?